Hello, my fabulous English 112 students, summer 2018, Johnston Community College, week 2. Hope everyone had a good week 1, had fun doing all those wonderful activities that we're doing. We are doing week 2. What's going on in week 2? Well, you're going to watch the week 2 videos. There's videos. Yes, there is going to be more than one. I'll show you that in a second. You have some chapters to read, you have some research logs to do, and you have a quiz. All right. So again, is it just a general overall concept of what we're doing? So for this class, you're going to be picking a controversial topic, and then you're going to be writing a bunch of different things based on that controversial topic. So that's actually found really in research log 2 and 3, which we're going to get to in a second. So finding arguments, drafting arguments, revising and editing arguments. These are all great chapters to read. Again, you read them by going to the textbook right here or right there, highlight textbook, require textbook. So you can do your textbook. And then chapter 21 deals with APA style. In English 111, at least the classes I teach in English 111, teach MLA style. For this class, we're going to use APA style. What's the difference? Well, there's a little difference. There are a lot of similarities and there are some differences, but I'm going to give you all the sources you need to be successful. All right, so let's kind of get to it. So research log 2, that's the first thing. It's like, well, what do I got to do? Well, let's go to research log 2. Again, the research logs are found over here. Click on research log. Research log 2. For this class, you will select one topic and use it all semester. To help narrow this down, you're going to pick 3 topics. www.procon.org is a great source to get ideas. In fact, let's go there right now. So let's go to procon.org. Okay, and we're not going to donate. Thank you, though. Okay, so here's a bunch of controversial issues. Stop that, Procon. Controversial issues that you can pick from. Now, it may be in your best interest to pick an area that is related to your major, or if you want to just pick something that is just you feel very strongly about. Keep in mind that, again, you're going to be writing research papers, so you have to be careful about keeping your prejudices and biases out of it. But go ahead, and this is a great place to find information about different controversial topics. So look through these, and then you're going to select 3 of them that you're going to be doing a little bit of work on. Okay, so you're going to pick 3 topics. Again, look through here, find 3 that you really like. Okay, in your research log, you're going to write a paragraph about the 3 topics which interest you. Explain the topic and why it's controversial, and then why it interests you. So again, why is it controversial? Well, these will, if you click on any of these, it'll tell you why it's controversial. And then, why, because we want you to write something that you're interested in. Again, why do you want to research this topic? Well, I got to research it because the school is telling me to, but we're talking about the particular topic. How will it help you in your field of study and your profession? Maybe it will be directly related, maybe it'll be indirectly related. Maybe just having the world a safer, better place will help you in your field of study or profession. Okay, so you're going to write this topic. So how you do this is you click on research log, click right there, and it takes you to here. Best way to do it is to write a submission using like a Word document, and then you can go ahead and browse it and upload it, okay? Or you can even click write submission and then write it that way. Topic 1, a paragraph on why it's interesting to you. Topic 2, a paragraph of why it's interesting to you and what the topic is about. Paragraph 3, subject 3, and so on. So you can do it that way. So that's how you do research log 2. Okay, since this is a condensed version of this class, you're also going to be doing research log 3. So after you do this one and you've thought about it, then I need you to tell me the order of which topics you prefer to do, like medical marijuana, euthanasia. So let's say these are the 3 that you picked, okay? Which one is the most important to you? You want it's like your first choice, your second choice, and your third choice. Because for this class, we're going to have everyone write on a different topic, okay? So you're going to send me, these are my first choice, second choice, and third choice. And then I will collect everyone's information and then tell you which one you get. So if you haven't decided on one or you pick the same one as somebody else, then I will randomly choose which one you get to do. Just a little hint, you may want to pick stuff that's a little less, popular, because if everyone wants to do medical marijuana, then everyone's not going to get a chance to do it. So maybe look a little deeper and find some different things that really interest you that may be a little more on the outside, the fringe, okay? So research log 3 is pretty easy. All you have to do is, after you've picked your 3 topics for 2, you just tell me in a different research log which order you prefer to do them in, and then you will get one of those. So we're just kind of trying to narrow down the topics. All right, so those are the research logs for this week. So we're going to go back to week 2. All right, so that takes care of Research Log 2 and Research Log 3. Now there is a quiz on Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Yeah, wow, Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Well, you read those last week, okay? Again, you can take this test, I think, twice. Highest score counts. So we want you to learn the information. All the information is found in Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. So just do your best, okay? Yeah, that's it. Okay. And what else we can do? Oh, an APA quiz. So there's an APA quiz. Oh, APA quiz. Oh my gosh. So this is going to make sure you understand how to do APA style and formatting. Well, how are you going to know that information? I haven't taught it to you yet. Well, there's a few different ways you can do it. Chapter 21 there, that gives you the information, but there is more help. In fact, if you look over here under video tutorials, over here, video tutorials, click on video tutorials. There's a bunch of nice little videos here. This video shows you how to set up APA title page. This one shows you all about APA in-text citations. This shows you how to set up a reference page. This one even shows you how to do the hanging indents for APA. And then there's a few other things down here. But for this class, you may want to watch these 4 videos. That's, you can read the textbook as well. But these 4 videos will show you not only what APA is, but it shows you how to do it. Okay, and so this is a great reference. So instead of putting these into week 2, I keep them here in the video tutorial so you can always find them as you're working on different assignments during the course of the semester. So if you want to, how do I get the answers to that quiz on the APA? Well, then you go and you watch these videos. You watch a video. All right. So for week 2, as a refresher, as a reminder of what's going on, you're going to read these chapters here. Okay, again, if there's any activities in these chapters, when you go to required textbook and there's activities inside the chapters, you don't have to do the activities. You do not have to do the activities found in the textbook. All the activities you do are found in Blackboard, like this chapter quiz, this quiz here, the research log. That's where we do our activities. So you have 2 research logs, which we went over, okay? And then you have the quiz, which is right there. You just hit the quiz, you just click on it, and then begin the quiz, okay? Go back, yay. And then you have another quiz on the AP. So the real goal is to kind of figure out, what do you want to write on this whole semester? What is the main topic? And then these quizzes are going to kind of help you figure out, okay, and how am I going to present them? So if you look at it that way, we're really doing 2 things this week. Finding arguments, and then, what do you want to write on? And then also, how are we going to eventually present it? So if we can do those 2 different things and learn about that, then we'll be ready to get into what's going on for next week. So, all right, it's important to get this foundation. Keep plugging away at it. Keep doing well. And remember, these due dates, when it says 5:30, that means May 30th at 11:59 p.m. And no late work. No late work is accepted. So make sure you get these in on time. All right. Have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next week.